Alright.
Since this goddamn cell phone is not working very well,
Yes.
we must go.
We must
and
see
get
the dogs.
focus
Oh.
the dogs over there.
Over there, over there.
See
Where,
that
where?
dog?
Oh! It's coming right at us.
Alright,
It's coming right at
let's
us.
go.
Oh, that's very scary.
Fucking dog, right?
Oh, oh. Let's run, let's run. Let's run.
You
Yes.
might see a dinosaur
Where?
over there.
Where?
You know Nika?
Yes.
You know Nika?
Oops.
She is a black version of dinosaur.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh! Chirito. Nice, kanami isang view ah.
Right.
Where's the dinosaur, Mark?
Over there.
Where?
At the gym.
Nice, bukid oh, bukid na. Mga kapunuan ah.
Okay.
Dali.
Bisaya na to, Bisaya na.
Bisaya ma. Sige.
Ay.
Ano na?
Ay man sa.
Hala.
Ano naman?
Buks na dinosaur.
Sabot ang niko.
Ha? Sino?
Ang sabot iko.
Ni sino?
Okay, let's go.
Ni sino?
Niko show.
Nikusyo.
Ang pubic.
Ah, pubic. That's right.
Alright.
Okay. Ouch. In English, agoy.
You know, somehow,
Yeah, suabe.
but the word, I will make this on TV.
Yes.
Electronic.
Exclaim a coconut.
Alright.
Oh, there's no fruit.
Little fruit.
Yes. That's right. Climb the mountain.
You know, it's quite tiring, you know.
Yes. I'm already tired. I'm thirsty.
We're
Hungering. Yes, that's right.
You can hear the sound of the voice of David,
Oh, Imo.
like an ass dog.
Yes. He's just missing.
He is
missing.
He is known as Emo.
Yes.
You can see him.
Where? Maybe later. We will see him.
Right.
But let's enjoy this view.
You got
It's very nice view.
the sun's
The sun is hot.
right.
It's in it. Yes, that's right. Journey to the Kabakuran.
I have something in my mind.
What's it? Tell me.
We can tighten
Oh,
David with
it's
this
a snake. It's a snake. Oh,
Alright, David.
there's Emo.
Catch the snake.
There's Emo. Oh, there's Emo.
Alright.
Yes, there
This
is.
Emo.
There is.
You know what? You're making me irritated.
Yes.
Huh?
You're irritated. Why?
Why?
Why are you
It's a
irritated?
little girl. Oh, bye-bye. Let's go.
Hey, little girl.
Bye, Jane.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey.
Jane, just try to understand these two Mongols.
Yes.
That, especially that goddamn pig.
Yes.
Alright. Can you see
Right.
this view?
The nice view.
It's like,
Yes, it's very
like
nice.
two
Very
boobs-
nice, oh.
Two boobs with many